everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Check this out. These Origami water bottles from DiFOLD are super practical. First of all, I love this pink color. I love the fact that these are collapsible water bottles, which they fit anywhere and everywhere. They have a variety of beautiful colors, so I'm sure this would make the perfect gift for any of your friends that love staying hydrated. This water bottle is very lightweight, and you're going to see that it's also leak proof. I also love that the material on this water bottle is plant-based, it's not silicone, and it's odorless free. I highly recommend these, especially whenever you're traveling. You know, water can be so expensive at the airport, but by having this water bottles by DiFOLD, you can save so much money. So if you're looking to stay hydrated when traveling, when having any outdoor activity, definitely check these bottles out, and that's just my point of view.